Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to record our screen and get a high quality video on our macOS devices like MacBook, Mac Mini, etc. That too for absolutely free. So let's check it out. Without delaying further, we are going to use Apple's very own QuickTime Media Player. This is a video playing software just like VLC Media Player. If we have any movies or video files on our computer, we can use the QuickTime player to play this. We don't have to install this app. It will be already pre-installed on our Mac device. We just have to open this. After opening the app, we can go to this file option, then new screen recording, or we can right click this and choose new screen recording. These are the two quick options to access this. We also have the option to do movie recording, which means recording via the webcam, or record the audio. We can take audio notes using this. After selecting the new screen recording option, we will get this floating toolbar at the bottom of the screen usually. Using these options, we can either capture screenshots or record a video. We can record the entire screen or we can record selected portions. And here we have options for file save, download location, timer before the screen recording, and which microphone to use, and also other options like show mouse clicks. Like while recording a video, if I click anything on the screen, it will show that click area highlighted the small circle. Once we are set with everything, we can simply hit the record option here and it will start to record our MacBook screen. Now it is recording our MacBook screen. To stop this recording, we can select this stop video icon at the menu bar. We just have to select this once. And now we will get a preview of the video recording. And we can also export this video into our desired resolution. We have 4K, 1080p, 720p, 480p, and we can also export just the audio. So these are the steps to record high quality screen video on our macOS device for free. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.